In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Have you ever wondered why some prayers are answered immediately, while others seem to take years? Have you ever asked yourself, was this always written for me? The Quran teaches us that nothing happens without Allah's knowledge and wisdom. Allah says, "No disaster strikes upon the earth or among yourselves except that it is in a record before we bring it into being." Indeed, that is easy for Allah. But this doesn't mean we have no choice. Allah has given us free will to make our own decisions, and one day we will all be accountable for the choices we make. Believing in destiny means trusting that Allah's plan is always wiser than our own. When life brings happiness, be grateful. When it brings hardship, be patient. Because every delay, every closed door, and every difficult moment, carries a wisdom that we may not understand today. Allah also reminds us, perhaps you dislike something while it is good for you, and perhaps you love something while it is bad for you. Allah knows, while you do not know. So never lose hope. What you missed may have been protecting you from harm. What you're still waiting for may be something Allah is saving for the perfect time. Keep making dua. Keep doing good deeds. Keep trusting Allah. Because His plan has never failed. If you're going through a difficult season right now, remember this, Allah is writing a story for you that is far more beautiful than anything you could ever write for yourself. Trust His timing. Trust His wisdom. And trust His perfect plan. May Allah strengthen our faith, help us trust His decree, and keep our hearts patient through every test.